up, down, weighted, unweighted. Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome back to my YouTube studio. And if this is the first time that you have joined me here, thank you so much. I really look forward to dancing with you. In today's video, we are going to explore one of belly dance's many shimmies. There are so many shimmies, and they are so fabulous and so much fun. And really, when you start to dive in, there are so many subtle nuances that'll take you from just having a handful of basic shimmies in your back pocket to really having an entire palette of beautiful shimmy colors that you can use in your dance. And today's shimmy is one of those colorful shimmies. So join me as we dive into the Moroccan shimmy. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. And if you like this kind of step-by-step belly dance instructional content, then you will definitely want to like this video and subscribe so that you can check out new content from me every single week. Or better yet, join the Insiders Club in my email list at sahirabellydances.com/join me, and I will send you a free bonus class and be sure that you get the latest and greatest videos and tutorials every single week so that you never miss a single beat. The Moroccan shimmy is one shimmy in a family of shimmies that I call a triplet shimmy. And I call them a triplet shimmy because of the tempo of the shimmy. It is 3 even beats, a little bit like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, as opposed to other shimmies that might be more like 16th notes. 1 and a 2 and a bada 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 bada. So this is a triplet shimmy. This triplet shimmy is a little bit different than the standard triplet shimmy that is taught in most belly dance classes, and let me show you how it differs. We are going to think about 3 different moves. The first one is going to be a weighted hip lift. So you're going to step out, say, on the right foot, weighted hip lift, using the glute, using the knee, but never bringing the knee completely to straight, always keeping a little bit of a bend. And then on the unweighted side, this is where it gets fun. On the unweighted side, I want you to grab with the oblique and then release. So you're getting it up above neutral and then a down back to neutral. And those are your 3 movements. If we do that on the other side, you get a weighted lift. And in order to get that, I kind of dig into the ground, bend the knee, straighten the knee, but never completely, squeeze that glute to cut the lift on the left, and then the right side is unweighted. We'll lift up, drop back down to neutral, and that's your 3 steps on the other side. Going back to the right, weighted lift, unweighted lift, drop, weighted lift, unweighted lift, drop. One more time, weighted lift, unweighted lift, drop, weighted lift, unweighted lift, drop. Now, if we're going to put this into that triplet concept, that nice easy 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like a waltz, we're going to go nice and slow. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, left, 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 right, 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 left, left, hit, up, down, hit, up, down, hit, up, down. One more time each side, and then pause. You see how that works? So this is a little bit different than your standard triplet shimmy, which I always learned as a double bump. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And if you're unfamiliar with that shimmy, I will definitely post down below a link to the triplet shimmy on my channel here, so you can learn that one as well. There are so many shimmies. So let's go ahead and look at one other way we can play with this. Because our weight is shifting so often, it's very easy to travel with it. So let's look at what that would look like. Because of the shift, we can take our weight to the right, and then when we step on the left, just take the foot slightly forward, up, up, down, switch the weight, step slightly forward each time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes? And then if you want to play with it and make it even a little fancier, there's a layer that I really like to place on this, and it's a bit of slide. I'm going to think of sliding to the side where the weighted lift is going. So when I take it to the right, I'm going to slide my hip out that way, chest stays center. That up down ends up being a little bit more underneath you, and then slide to the other side. So you can think of layering a slide on this. This is really fun, gives it a little bit of a different look, and I find makes it look bigger and juicier. Slide to the right, up, down, slide to the left, up, down, slide right, then unweighted lift drop, slide left, unweighted lift drop. 1, 2, 3, triplet. One more time on each side. Yeah, I'll point out one other thing. It's sort of what my feet are doing. Because you come to that unweighted lift drop, you'll find that your foot wants to sort of lift off of the ground. This is a great opportunity to create a little bit of like some foot pizzazz and make it look really pretty. When it goes fast, it will go by in a flash. You won't notice it as much, but I'm going to encourage you to look at it while we're doing it slowly. That way you have the polish all the way down to your toes, yeah? So we're thinking of hit, and as I lift drop, instead of leaving my foot right there, which you can do, I'm going to think of sliding it in a little bit perhaps, so that I have this position in the up down instead of this position. Totally up to you. Play with both. See what feels good. And if I'm going to be walking, I'm going to think about using some of that momentum in the feet to take me forward. Yeah, so Moroccan shimmy, weighted lift, unweighted lift, drop in a triplet fashion. Triplet, nice and even. Cool? Let's go ahead and drill it with music. Take a nice deep breath up. Exhale, roll those shoulders back and down. We'll start nice and slow on the right on 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up, up, down, up, down, weighted, unweighted. Weighted, unweighted, weighted, unweighted. Good. Walk it forward. You can choose to keep the hips right underneath you, or if you would like to play with that slide to the side, sliding to the active, weighted up. Let's speed it up. Hold it here. So this is full speed Moroccan shimmy. It's triplet, 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 triplet. You'll notice I continue to use my feet, but I keep them pretty close to the ground, but they're constantly stepping to help me keep time, to keep using that weighted lift, and it makes it easy to walk. Let's turn it around ourselves to the right. Triplet, 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 triplet. Good, let's take it around the other way, same thing. Feel free to add the arms if it's feeling good. Don't forget to breathe. Good, let's slow it back down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, triplet like a waltz. Let's walk it forward, adding the arms if you would like. Little layering challenge. Walk it back. Good, let's do that one more time. Take it back. Let's finish with some full-time Moroccan shimmy. Take it around yourself. Feel free to play with the arms, make them your own. Take it around yourself one more time. Adding the slide if you would like. Walking it forward. And let's walk it back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, strike your pose. Awesome job, fabulous dancer. How did that go? I want to know what you think of that Moroccan shimmy. Have you done it before? There's a lot of people who learn their first triplet shimmy just like that as the Moroccan shimmy. But the longer I've danced, the more I've wanted to differentiate all the different textures and nuances between the shimmies, because at a certain point, there aren't any new moves, but there are infinite variations on the moves that we do have. And so you'll want to explore all of those as you continue to progress in your belly dance journey. And when you are ready to dive in and learn even more shimmy variations, I invite you to join me for my Sensational Shimmy Intensive, where you will learn 22 of the best belly dance shimmies and many variations. I have it on sale for you right now because you're here and you made it to the end of this video. Yeah? So this is just for you. Going to sahirabellydances.com/shimmy and go ahead and enter the code shimmies20 when you go to checkout. So shimmies, plural, SHIMMIES20 at checkout for 20% off the course, just for being here, just for dancing with me, and for being part of my online belly dance family. I really appreciate you, and I look forward to creating more sensational shimmies with you very soon.